Hey, I'm Tom Reber. Welcome to Contractor Fight TV, and this is the third part of a series that we're doing right now on content marketing for contractors and why you should give a shit. So stick around and check out what I'm going to share in a couple minutes here about the different types of content you should be producing. All right, so today my goal of this quick video is going to be just to open your eyes to the different types of content that you can produce for your company. In the first video, we talked about establishing yourself, positioning yourself as the expert. All right. In our second video, we talked about the different benefits to creating content, which there are many. And today, because right now you're probably bought in. You're going, all right, this content thing, I got to figure this shit out. All right. And so if that's the case, what are the different types of content that you should be producing, that you can produce to help grow your business? All right, so the first is this little thing called a blog. Hopefully you got a website. All right, I'm not going to go on a rant right now about how important it is for you to invest great money into a website for your contracting business, guys. Don't do that shit on the cheap. That building your own site and going on the cheap makes about as much sense as a homeowner doing their own damn project. Okay, so invest, build a great website. All right, I said I wasn't going to rant on that, so I'm going to shut up. So on your website, you should have a blog. And think of a blog as just a Marcus Sheridan. If you look up Marcus Sheridan, he's a friend of mine. He's spoken, done some private events for us in the Contractor Sales Academy and some things like that. He's got a book called They Ask You Answer. He talks about the blogs, but on his website, if you go to his website, you'll see Learning Center. That's what he calls his blog. Okay, so a blog, think of a blog as a learning center, a place to educate people. All right. In a later video, we're going to talk about what types of, or what content topics you should do. But just know for now, this is a place to teach people, a place to establish people or establish yourself as the expert. Guys, when you have a blog on your website, that means every page, every blog you write, it's another page for the search engines to find. It's another way of you expanding your thumbprint of your company online. All right. Blogging is super good for your business. And, a couple stats here, 97 or so percent of companies that blog have 97% more, companies that blog have 97% more inbound links. Okay, that means you have more fingers out there and people are linking back to your site. You have more pages online. In short, what this means, guys, is you're going to get found, okay, organically on the search engines. Okay, because Google will reward you for providing consistent, relevant content that helps their searchers. Okay, second type of content, man, that I highly hope that you're engaging in is video. All right, our attention spans are low. A lot of people don't like to read. We want to watch. We want to pull something up online. We want to learn quickly, whatever it is. Guys, pull out that iPhone, pull out that video camera on the job site and educate us. Show us what you have going on behind the scenes. Introduce us to the people in your office of, hey, this is who answers the phone when you guys call. Hey, these are our crew leaders. One of these guys is going to be giving you a call to set up a time to come meet you before the project starts. Guys, bring people behind the curtain of your business. Educate them on how you do the project, who your people are, all those other things we'll get into later on. But video is huge. Infographics, okay? This is a visual way of people understanding maybe your process. You can educate them on your process. Like, hey, what happens when we're going to remodel your house? And you can create an infographic that you can put on your website because, again, you are showing people how your company works and what are the different steps. This is all without you having to run your mouth as a salesperson. Okay? And this is really cool because you use that in the sales process. You're sitting down and go, hey, have you ever seen the infographic on how we work as a company and what happens behind the scenes and all this other stuff? It's a way of taking some data maybe and simplifying into a visual form for people so they have a better idea of maybe how your company is different from others. Project profiles is what I used to call them. Other people call them case studies. All right, so hey, here was Bill and Mary and their mother-in-law was moving into the house and the house was too small and this was their problem, this was the solution, this is how we blew out the wall of the house and added a bathroom and did this and blah, blah, blah. And now you're telling the story of somebody else. And your ideal clients who are searching for those things can relate to those things when you tell stories. Okay? And that turns into a testimonial, but it's really a case study. It'd be no different than me sharing with you how, Dan is a landscape contractor in Northern California. This is a true story, by the way. And he was afraid to hire our company because I'm expensive. Our coaching's expensive. And in the first phone call, the first call he did with us, he made over $20,000 that week on his next sale because of what we taught him on that call. So that's a case study. Okay, you're going, hey, you go third party. Here's somebody else's problem. We're going to talk about it. Okay, and what our solution was to that problem. Hopefully that makes sense. Case studies, project profiles, things like that. And actually, these case studies are one of the most effective ways to build trust with people and all that other stuff. So are videos. What else we got here? A lot of companies you'll see will do some ebooks and some things like that. I know a lot of guys that do like an idea guide on their website. Hey, you're looking to remodel your home. You're looking to do this. Give us your email and we'll send you an ideas guide of all the things that you could ever imagine in your home. And then finally, guys, checklists. This would be great for, what are the steps that I need to take as a consumer to get ready for a remodeling project or a paint job, or for you to come in and blow up my backyard and make it beautiful or whatever. Provide people a checklist. Or maybe you're a HVAC guy or something like that, or you do some work where it requires some maintenance. Maybe you can give people, for opting into your website, opting into your email list, you can give them a checklist of how to inspect their own furnace without blowing the house up or whatever. Okay, and you can even do that in video form. So guys, there are so many different things that you can do, but those are kind of the low-hanging fruit tactics of ways that you can produce content for all that crap that we've talked about that's rolling around in your head. All this experience that you have is huge. All right, so stick around as we dig further into content marketing for contractors in our next video. What the heck are we talking about? We are talking about how to use, our next video, part 4, is going to be how to use content in the sales process. This is huge. Great opportunity for you to differentiate, add value, not be pushy, and make a shit ton. Is that one or 2 words? I don't know. 2 words. Shit ton more money by using the content that you've created. Remember we talked about in the other video, it's evergreen. You can repurpose it, all this other stuff. We're going to show you how to use it in the sales process to stand apart, make more money. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Share this video. Share this series with another contractor. Share Contractor Fight TV with another contractor today. And don't forget to get our daily tips by texting 719, the word tips, to 719-299-3852. We'll see you next time.